How to make hover button in Figma. So first go to Figma and then let's just click on this one here, this icon here, frame, and then make sure to click on desktop and then let's add this here. Next is you can just add a rectangle here. Let's start creating our button here. Let's just move it, place it here. Okay, make it smaller, and then let's just add the text. So let's say I'm going to add continue here. Okay, and then make sure to make it into a group selection. Then hold Alt on your keyboard and then press and drag this button here at the bottom. And there you go. Now you have a duplicate of it. Now just click on this one here, and then let's just change the text of what's going to happen to the text, since after we hover it, make sure that there are changes, right? So let's click on the text and let's change the color of the text into, let's say, orange, like so. And then let's change the color of the rectangle into, let's say, yellow. Okay, something like that. And then let's just highlight all of them, and then you can just click on this arrow here, then click on create component set. Okay, now you just need to click on prototype here, double click on it, and then let's just hover mouse over this plus icon here and then drag it here, and then make sure the trigger is while hovering, and then change to group 2, smart animate, and then there you go. Now let's just go to assets here, and then let's put this here on the desktop, and then let's just click on the desktop and then click on this play button here at the top, and then it'll start playing. Okay, now you can see the button here. So once I put my mouse here, as you can see, it started changing. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.